Welcome to Jackal DIY Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how to get an old joystick like this one, which is a generic Logitech one, up and running and playing in new games. Now what I wanted to do is play some games, like maybe Cyberpunk, and not use a keyboard and a mouse, but use this joystick. And the last time that I've used this joystick was maybe like 10 years ago when playing FIFA games. Now, as you can see, I'm moving the joystick, but nothing is happening in the menu. So it means that the joystick is not being detected. It does have the power, as you can see. So what you can do to troubleshoot if the joystick is detected but not working in games is, let's see, first off, you can go maybe to the control panel. You will have hardware and sounds, and we can go to the device manager and we should see something. So let's see, human interface device. I see this one, maybe it's this one, I have no idea. So hit compliant game controller properties. Do I see anything mentioned about Logitech? Not really. So I have no idea if this one's it. Now, instead of going to the device manager, what you can do is simply type in controller and this option should pop up. Set up USB game controllers, and as you can see, it is being detected. It's a Logitech dual action. You can go to the properties and see if it is working. As you can see, the left thumbstick is working, so is the right one. And if I press the buttons also all work. So while the joystick is being detected and it is working inside Windows, it's not working inside games. So what you can do in this case is downloading X360 CE. This is a X36 Xbox joystick emulator. Because the Xbox gamepads are supported in all of the games, this is a good emulator to use, and it's also free. Simply type in X360 joystick emulator and you should find this download. So this will be the download page. I'm using this version 4.17.15.0. So simply download it and extract it to a location. I'll simply put it to C, X360 joystick emulator. What we'll want to do is run it. Now I have this already set up, so what I can do is simply click on remove. So this is what you'll see when you first start, and what you'll want to do is click on add. In my case, the keyboard and the mouse were enabled. I simply disabled them and selected add. So now the controller 1 is enabled, but we now have to remap all of the keys. So maybe do we have something auto? We have auto. Maybe press this one. Yes, and it didn't do a good job. So in this case, what you can do is simply press on a button. In this case, I've pressed on the left thumbstick and I can simply press left. Now if this does not work, you will simply click stop and clear all of the settings. So what I've done is I've simply clicked on each individual button to remap it manually. For some reason this does not work, so I will click reset. Maybe using the auto function was not the best idea. Nope, still nothing. Maybe if I remove it again, click add, select this device, click add, And now I have all of the buttons configured, maybe because I've already done this previously manually, but now at least it is working, as you can see. So if I do clear, press left, this is now left, press right, it should be right, press down, press up, click in, then we have the D-pad, now because this joystick is old, it does not have the middle button, and you will simply repeat this for all of the buttons. It doesn't take long. So I think this is it. I only have 3 buttons left. So this one can go back, this one will be start, and well, this one will be nothing. So this is it. I will simply save all. Now what you have to do is have this program opened whenever you want to use the joystick. I will close it for now and launch Cyberpunk again, just so you can see that it actually also works. If you launch the game beforehand, you can launch the emulator afterwards and it will still work. So currently I still have to use the keyboard because the controller is not detected. So I will now launch the program. It's being detected. And as you can see, I'm now moving this. I guess now it works. Previously, when I pressed up and down, it moved by 2 fuels, but at the moment it's running just fine. Now the only downside is this joystick does not have the X, Y and B, so you'll just have to get used to it. And if you found this video helpful and would like to see more DIY and tech tips, subscribe to the channel and we'll do something else in the next video.